In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a review section on Squarespace with ease and precision. Whether you're a business owner looking to enhance your website's credibility or simply want to gather feedback from your visitors, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Let's begin by navigating to your Squarespace home. This is your main dashboard where all your site management starts. From the home dashboard, you'll want to click on Website. This takes you to the section where you can manage all aspects of your site, including pages, design features, and more. Once you're in the website section, the next step is to click on Pages, a central hub for organizing and managing your site's content. Now that you're in the Pages section, look for the Add button. This is usually marked with a plus sign and is your gateway to creating new pages or content on your website. By clicking on the Add button, you'll be prompted with different page options. For this specific task, you're going to click on Blank Page. This selection gives you a clean slate to add any content or design features, free from pre-existing templates or formats. Once your blank page is created, it's time to give it a name. Type in a page name that reflects its purpose. Something like customer reviews or testimonials would work well. This name will also appear in your site's navigation, so make it clear and professional. With your new page named, click on Edit. This action will allow you to modify the layout and content of your page. Once you're in the editing mode, your next move is to click on Add Section. Think of sections as building blocks for your page. By adding a section, you're specifying where content will be placed. Navigate to the Testimonials option within the Add Section menu. Testimonials are perfect for a review section as they allow you to showcase what your customers or visitors are saying about your products or services. Choose a testimonial design that complements your site's overall aesthetic. Squarespace provides several customizable designs, so pick one that fits your brand's look. After selecting a design, click on Edit Content. This is where you can input the actual reviews and customize the text and images. To further refine your testimonials, click on Elements. Here you can adjust various components, such as adding a star rating or modifying testimonial details. Next, hop over to Content. This is your go-to spot for modifying what's displayed, letting you add or change reviews as needed. Finally, explore the Design menu. This is where you can tailor the visual aspects, such as fonts and colors, to ensure everything aligns with your brand. And there you have it. With these steps, you can seamlessly integrate a review section into your Squarespace site to enhance credibility and engage your visitors. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Esmao.